Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you with what I think is going to be the most beneficial and effective tutorial I've ever brought to my YouTube channel. So what I'm bringing you guys today is going to be something where you can actually build your Amazon brand or your personal brand with really low cost Facebook ads. And I'm going to hop behind my computer in just a moment and show you exactly how to do that. But before I go in there, I want to make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up so you can go back and watch it in your liked videos in the future. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. So giving you guys a quick breakdown of what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, we're going to first make a Facebook page for either your Amazon product or your personal brand. And then I'm going to show you guys how to target an awesome ad set and create the best pretty much Facebook ad. I literally spent $5 and got 160 likes on my Facebook page for my Amazon product in one day. So this is amazing. I want you guys to use this method because the whole point in the long run of this is to get a whole ton of likes on our Facebook page so it builds an actual authority. We're going to go reach out to countries with a lower GDP so we can get likes for as small as like literally 4 cents a like on your page. Instead of if we went to Canada or the United States, something like that, you might be looking at paying like 60 cents per like to get that. This is totally ethical because Facebook gives us all this data and information, so we're going to utilize that and we're going to get a ton of likes on our page. Then when we want to start marketing our product or service or whatever to the United States, then we already have 5,000 likes on our page that we maybe spent $50 to get. So when customers come and look at our Facebook page, they're going to see that we have a ton of authority and they're going to be way more likely to go buy our products or services or anything that we're trying to promote. So let's go hop behind my computer and I'll show you exactly how we're going to break it down. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and try and make this video as short, sweet, and simple as possible. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go make an actual page for yourself or your Amazon product. So to do that, we're going to click this down arrow right here and come right here where it says create a page. Now we're going to be doing a business or brand, and you can pretty much come in and name your page right here. You can change this at any time, but I'm going to just say pet lovers. Okay, and now the category, I'm going to go ahead and just say pets, and it comes up with a bunch of different stuff. I'll just say it's under pet supplies and press continue. It looks like pet lovers is already taken, so let me just try pet lovers 2018. And that is acceptable. So I know we can go ahead and upload a profile picture and a cover photo. You guys are going to want to do that. And there's a website called Pexels.com that works out really well for great stock images that you can use for your wallpaper right here. And you're probably going to want to look at the dimensions for the size of this as well. I also use Canva to optimize my images right here. So you guys can see I made an awesome Facebook cover photo right inside of Canva for free. That's a great website you guys can look into for making that cover photo. But what we're going to want to do is come down and do promote when you guys are ready and all set up. You'll press promote, and we're going to want to start out by saying promote your page. This is what we're going to use to get as many page likes as possible to start building that authority. So the biggest thing I want to hit home with you guys is your audience. So we're going to go ahead and say edit for audience. So we're going to start with a wide age range, so 18 to 65 is okay. But we want to exit out of the location of the United States. So this is where we're going to use countries to get really low priced likes on our page. And I'll use the same countries for you guys to show who has a big population and who's actually liking things a lot for a really low price. So I use these same countries on my other ad. I use Nigeria. I just selected that. I use Pakistan. I use India. And I use the Philippines. So at this point, you can see we're reaching about 330 million people. We're going to need to go ahead and press save here for our audience because the audience is good. Now we're going to want to kind of go hone that down a little bit. You can see with the $2 daily budget right here, we're already getting at least 16 to 99 likes per day on our page. And you can go ahead and change the copy of your ad at any time by coming up to Add Creative. And right in this text box, you can just change it up to whatever you want to put and it will update there for you. So I literally just kept it the same and just pretty much had it say connect with my page, which was my product. You can also upload any image that you want for your ad to show up, but I just used the Facebook page cover photo and that worked out great for me. So after we got the countries that we want to use, and you're going to want to use these countries specifically because they have a high population and they still have a lot of people using the internet. So we're going to want to use these countries, and we have our ad creative all set up. We'll just come down and check out our budget. I literally just did a $5 budget per day, and you can see now we have an estimated 39 to 247 likes a day. And I changed the duration to just 7 days. So literally if I just spend 35 bucks, I'll be making over 1,000 likes on my page, which is already building a huge authority for it. So what we're going to want to do is kind of narrow this down just a little bit. We'll come back into our audience here and press edit. So we have the countries, we have our gender and age range. Now we're going to want to come down to detailed targeting. And since we have a pet page, we can just type in pet and see what comes up. So we're going to see pet store is going to be an interest that we want. And there we go. We already have a great target audience of 770,000 people. And if I just press save right here, we can go down and see how many likes per day we're going to be getting. So it went up a few more likes, now 42 to 263 likes on your page per day with just a $5 budget. So that's really all I wanted to share with you guys. You want to start growing a Facebook page for your product, your brand, your service, or anything else, because this is where you can start actually getting customers out of Amazon and bringing them to your page. If you have an Amazon product that the customer bought, Amazon's not going to give you their email address. So what you want to do is tell your supplier to put a little insert in your product and say, if you want a coupon for 10% off, please come to our Facebook page and we'll give you that code there. So once you can get people, your customers that you have on Amazon, off of Amazon and on your Facebook page, these are now going to be repeat buyers for your product. So that's when you start building a brand. That's when you start really starting to scale up your business and make a lot of money. So you guys can play around with the add more interest if you want, but literally that's all you have to do. And then you'll really just press promote here and you're pretty much done. So I'm not going to run this ad. I'm just going to cancel this promotion, but I hope you guys really like this video. Go ahead and make the best Facebook page you can. Put your logo right here for your main image as well as your cover photo. Just spend some time in Canva making that as best as you possibly can, and go ahead and start running some ad campaigns. You'll see that when you start promoting a page to these countries which I've specified for you, you're going to get so many likes, and it's really going to cost you a small amount of money, and you're going to start growing your business and your brand. From building a Facebook page, you're going to have these repeat customers, and that's what it's all about, guys. So I have one final message, and I will be signing out for this video. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, thanks a lot. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you guys are interested in looking about more on how to sell on Amazon, I have just created a course that I'm really excited about, and I'm running a discount on it right now. So if you guys want to click on the Amazon Seller Pro link down in the description, you guys are going to get a 25% discount on the course, and I'm going to be there to personally mentor you guys. As you know, I kind of have a smaller YouTube channel right now, about 1,700 subscribers, so those that do jump on right away, I'm going to give them the utmost help and pretty much help them personally one-on-one start their Amazon business and bring it to straight up success, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.